here, look, House of Dreamers. This is where we're going today. 16 rooms is going to take us to the land of dreams. Dottie's found out about this one. What did you see that you liked the look of? What looked interesting?
The ball pit. The pink ball pit.
Let's go and check out.
Is that built into the floor?
It's built into Winchester?
Yeah.
Okay, should we go and check out the World of Dreams?
Yeah. And the boat looks like it's...
It does look nice. Oh yeah, look, I see another sign.
I see another sign.
There you go, House of Dreamers in London.
The sun's in my eyes.
Oh, sorry.
I don't like wearing sunglasses, so I'm going to do it.
Yeah, a little fact there. Dottie hates wearing sunglasses.
And a hat.
And a hat. So we have to cream her up. Dottie also will not go on these cable carts. I've never been on them.
It's going to fall.
They're not going to fall.
Even, I've seen it in Paris.
Lovely day.
Where are we going? It's too sunny.
It's too sunny. Sorry, I'll tell them to turn the sun down for you.
Where are we going?
So it's just down here.
What's that? It looks weird. Is it abandoned?
Yeah, that's an abandoned building now. So all this used to be very busy back in the day with lots of work going on the river. I've recently watched a documentary about this actually. Looks creepy.
It was just like designed to look like that.
No, that's what it's like. It used to be a working factory. What's that? Millennium Mills.
Do you think that's haunted?
Well, let's take you there. You can spend the night there and find out.
Yeah.
Look, it says there, House of Dreamers.
Oh.
Right, let's go on in, guys. Immersive London toilets. It's unfortunate wording.
See a little group of them.
Oh, yeah, it's up, carry on. They're just toilets, Dottie. We just went to toilets.
Toilet.
Whoa.
Oh, when are we going to go there? I see it. A big sign.
Well, it looks like here we are. Let's get to the outside. House of Dreamers. This looks much better than those immersive London toilets. Oh, here we go. House of Dreamers, London. It says here, are you ready to dream? You ready? Entry this way. Oh, beautiful.
Welcome, please. Come aboard the dream train.
Thank you.
Make yourselves comfortable.
Oh, thank you very much.
Very well.
Should we sit?
I'll see if there's any more coming and then we'll head off.
Thank you. You're on the dream train. Wow.
It's like a VIP trip for you both.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yes, indeed. Only the finest here. I'll be your conductor for today. Enjoy the views out the window as we travel to the House of Dreams.
Thank you.
Hello, dreamer. Your journey is about to begin. You are entering a special place, a house made of dreams and wonder, where you can connect with your greatest inspirations. Because dreaming has no age, and here every dream matters. Enjoy the journey, feel the magic, and remember, everything starts with a dream.
Your dreams are calling you.
Thank you. Look, it says there, Dottie, your dreams are calling you. Oh, what's this? Is this the dream phone? So you've got to put your dream band up against that unicorn. Pick up the phone.
So, let your dreams, and then what? You have 15 seconds to say.
Do your dream in private and then I'll do it. 2 pizzas at once. This is my dream for the year. And like this is this way, dreamers, that way. Go into those fields. Not into the... Well, not into those fields. Never give up. Whoa, what are we in here? Whoa! Go on then. Can you do that? Give it a go. There she is. Catch your dreams. To make your dreams come true, you have to put yourself out there. Step onto the basketball court, give it your best shot. Focus. Whoa. That was cool. Whoa. I'm going to go for it. Oh, nearly. What's this? Dream machine. Activate the dream machine with your bands. Choose your passion. arts, entertainment, science, technology, food and wellness, history and culture, business and politics, nature and animals, fashion and design, sports, or help at nature and animals. Go for it. Who would you love to be? A vet, a farmer, a botanist, which looks after plants, a wildlife photographer? Oh, I knew that. As soon as I saw that, you'd like to do that. Oh, let's get out of the way. Get in your way. Move backwards. Stop. Back. Dream loading. Dottie is a wildlife photographer.
I have brown eyes.
I know. You have green eyes. Wow. Well, shall I try and see if you can do me? A robotics engineer, coder, because I'm boring. What, am I going to just look exactly the same? Oh my god, I look like
Just like you.
I am a coder and I look like one. I just look the same. That's funny. Do what you love. The journey. Your dreams, reality. What is this? Must they make it happen? Oh, this. Oh, I think Dottie spotted the ball pit. Oh, wow. Wow, you're going to put your shoes there? Put your shoes on here, look. And then? Oh, do you want me? Oh, I'll activate it. I'm here. I'm covered up. Oh, look, if you can film it. You can film it on the ceiling. Hello. I'll pull. Okay. Ugh. You okay?
When you sat down,
Sorry. Ah. Whoa. Hello. Oh. There you go. You're not stuck. I'll save you. Come this way. Oh, oh no, it's I can't. You must. I'll just let you go. Bye. Bye. Hey. Wall of Dreams. Did you know that writing down your dreams is the first step to bringing it to life? When you put your wish on paper, it begins to take shape and become something real. She's upside down. Can you reach that off? Oh. What's in here? What's it say? Wonder, are you ready to step in the world of fairy tales? Wow. It's nice in here. Look at that bed. Look. Never stop dreaming. Was your childhood bedroom a magical place where you could fantasize and daydream? Set within an enchanted forest, this space invites you to reflect on your deepest desires, while a secret diary on the desk encourages you to rediscover the dreams you kept in your heart. What?
And then it goes up on the screen.
Oh. Oh, and then you draw it and it comes up on the screen. What animal are you going to draw?
I'm going to draw a rabbit.
Yeah.
Slime. I just done it quick.
Yeah, we'll just do a patchwork one. Oh,
I want to see how it works.
go on then. You got to scan to see the magic. Place your the face up, then add that there. The symbol of enchantment.
I see it.
Oh, there he is, over there. Ah. Believe in magic. Okay. Sky's not the limit. Oh, look, you can get on those sky swings. Who said the sky's the limit to your dreams? Step in this place and immerse yourself with ethereal dreamlike atmosphere. Reveal your dream quote. Bring your dream band close to the unicorn. What's your dream quote? Is yours working? The greatest dream is to believe in change. What's mine say? Mine says, a message from Tim. A message for Tim. Dream big, there's no reason not to follow your heart. Print your memories. It was all a dream. Dear dreamer, your journey ends here, but your dream is just the beginning. You followed your inspiration and unlocked your magical moments. Check your email today, your dream recap is on the way. Now it's time to turn your dreams into reality. Gift shop. Oh. Believe in magic, never stop dreaming. Plushies. Visual House of Dreams. Mats. Museum of Dreamers teas. Unicorns and some aliens. Funny mirror. Nice. Oh, look how crazy that makes you look. Oh.
I love this one. I love this one. I love these.
Follow your dreams. How we going? Come on then. I will say, not a lot in here. Turn your wristbands.
Okay, if you want to see your picture, you can type your...
Oh, we just put it in there. Too late. Thanks anyway. Alright, there we go. Here we are in Starbucks, just enjoying some... This is quite nice actually. What's it? Banana... Iced banana oats latte. Dottie enjoying some caramel shortbread and drink from home. So, what did we like most about House of Dreamers?
The ball pit.
The ball pit. Yeah, the ball pit was lots of fun. What did we not like the most? I mean, what did we like the least?
The AI pictures. The
AI.
shop.
Too much AI, yeah. There was a lot of it. It's basically AI. You're going around using screens that are using AI. Yeah, just don't buy anything from the shop either. But, I mean, overall, it was fun. Killed an hour. Very serious face.
I'm tired.
You're tired?
I shouldn't have stayed up that late last night.
Yeah, Dottie also stayed up very late last night. Your dreams can come true. No?
No.
Dream big.
No. Thanks for watching. Bye.